Excel, PASSIONNE.
Welcome back to PowerQuery episode of my channel. Here, we are going to check on the data imported from web at ease and edit before importing. Open Google and type the keyword. Then open most appropriate link. Let's work on most trending topic of this time. Kamal's list of films till the latest film VIKRAM. Let's import it from internet in few minutes. Select the web address and copy the link. Then open a blank Excel file. Now click on the Data tab and then click on From Web. A dialog box opens. In the empty box, paste the web address that you have copied. Then click on OK. It loads another box with list of tables extracted from the web page. As you click on the exact match that we are looking for, it will show its preview on the right hand side of the window. Two major options are available: load or transform data. Now, let's click on transform data and see. It displays the table on a separate window in Excel format. Here, we can make the changes that we require before we load the table to our file. As the changes are made, click on Get Data on the top left of the screen. The data will be loaded to the file. We can format the color of the table that we have downloaded. Previously, we have clicked on Transform Data. Now, let's click on the Load option. It loads the table directly from the web page without changes in the table. After downloading, it's a usual Excel file where we can make alterations.
Thank you for watching this video.
Excel, PASSIONNE.